This is just a short video on how to fix one of these microphones for a PA system. So I have a CJB 200 watt PA system from eBay. It cost me 50 bucks. It's pretty loud and it works well, but this is problematic. I've repaired it so many times, from the tip ring sleeve connector to the switch in here. See, I've lost the switch actuator. But anyway, this curly cable is very problematic, so just cut it out and replace the wires. So you see, I've just twisted the wires together to test that was the problem, and indeed it does work just fine. So how to test if this is your problem: just start wiggling all the wires, and you might find a spot where it just kills it or it makes it work. And also this might be your problem if you're having intermittent operation when you wiggle this all around. So one of the main causes of this would probably be when it gets kinked, knotted, or when it gets slammed in the door jamb. So just a tip on how to fix that: just replace it with any wire. You can twist it on with a NASA lineman's splice, or you can use a crimp connector, like a butt splice connector with heat shrink. All right, good luck.